In today's video, I'm going to teach you to convert a Word document to a fillable PDF on a Mac using the built-in Mac print function and an online converter. Before we begin, a quick note on what we're aiming for. A fillable PDF is a PDF that lets people click into fields and type, select options, or sign. The built-in Mac Print to PDF tool is perfect for creating a clean, consistent PDF from your Word document. It won't add interactive fields by itself, but it gives you the polished file you can then take into your preferred online form tool to make it fillable. Start by opening your Word document. Make sure everything looks the way you want it: headings, fonts, spacing, and margins. If you plan to add form fields later, leave enough space where you expect people to type. It's also a good idea to save a copy of your Word file before converting so you can quickly make changes if needed. Next, go to the File menu and choose Print. You can also press Command+P as a shortcut. When the Print dialog appears, click Show Details if you don't see many options. This expanded view lets you confirm key settings like paper size, orientation, and scale. Keep the scale at 100% so nothing is shrunk or stretched. If your document includes background colors or images that must appear, confirm those are enabled in Word before printing to PDF. In the bottom left corner of the Print dialog, open the PDF dropdown and select Save as PDF. You'll be prompted to name your file and choose where to save it. Use a clear, descriptive name and pick a folder you'll remember. You can also fill in the title and author fields for better file metadata, but avoid placing any sensitive information in these fields. If you're considering adding a password, keep in mind that locking the PDF may interfere with later form editing in some tools, so only apply security after your form is finalized. Click Save, and your PDF is created. Open it in Preview to double-check the layout, images, page breaks, and any links. At this stage, it's a clean, static PDF, which is exactly what you want as the base for a fillable form. When you're ready to add interactive fields, upload this PDF to your preferred online form converter or editor, map the fields to the spots you left in the layout, and export the final fillable version. That's all you need to set up a reliable PDF from Word on your Mac, ready for form conversion. Save, check, and then move on to adding fields in your chosen tool.